I'm here at a park, and I'd come down to feed these ants. This is a 7-8 year old colony of probably Tetramorium, but they have gone into fight. They have 3 different nest openings, and I've fed all 3. But they've gone into fight with the smaller Pheidole. These are not the Pheidole indica; they're slightly smaller. There's too much action happening. They're both native, and this area was more of these Tetramoriums to begin with. But if you see, the tree cover here has increased a lot. So these areas are shaded now, which has just led to Pheidole gaining ground. And this is the last Tetramorium colony left in this park. Oh, they've dug another nest opening. I think these Tetramoriums are all around below this, and they have multiple nest openings, and which they open and close as required. See, they're swarming out. There's a lot of action. Sorry if I'm not able to focus on it. There's actually no place for me to stand because there's ants everywhere. See, there's fights breaking out over a wide area. This is not another Tetramorium, this is another Pheidole. That is the nest. You can see the soil excavated and multiple lines coming out from there. These Tetramoriums, from what I can see, they're not really able to harm the majors. Majors of the Pheidole prove to be decisive, but when they swarm over the other ants, the minors, they can't battle their acid. But majors come and dismember them. Had it been Pheidole indica, they usually gain the upper ground over these Pheidole, over these Tetramorium in this park. Oh, multiple Tetramorium have swarmed this major. And here there is one tussling with a minor. I think this fight is over. But you can see that this Fedole colony is up here and is also fighting with these destructor ants over here. And these destructor ants are trying to dislodge these shield ants. Oh, there's not just destructor ants, there's, I think these are monomoriums. And there is fight going on between the same Fedole colony and monomoriums here as well. See this? Nobody can harm the shield ants, I don't know why. I will take you to the site of another fight over here. Okay, so these are bigger Fedole indica. I don't think there is any fight happening here anymore. They were fighting with another Fedole indica colony. Okay, so there is some fighting happening over here. Sorry if this makes you motion sick. There's so much action happening in this park, I can't keep track. You can see there's two Fedole indica colonies fighting for this. These are both are super colonies. And both of their nests are very far. You can see these ants carrying the food all the way to that palm tree over there, whereas their nest is over there. Tiny monomoriums fighting. Fedole, I think they've already been displaced. I paused the video to bring us back to this nest. If you see here, the Fedole ants and monomorium have been pushed back by this swarm of the smaller Fedole. These are not Fedole indica. I've never been able to discern what they are. And the majors here struggle with the Monomorium because they're too small. But they have managed to importantly push them back. Lots of tiny Monomorium carcasses over here. A shield and undamaged by the Monomorium. I'll take us back to the other venue. Here you can see that these ants have defeated the smaller Pheidole, which look like Pheidole indica but aren't. And they've made trails between the different nest openings, so they've connected that so that they can be fast reinforcements. Lots of carcasses. The camera isn't able to focus on them. The smaller ants like Pheidole parva and all, they are scavenging on them, but these ants are also carrying each other's carcasses back. Sorry, I think these are Tetramorium. Yeah, Tetramorium have one. If you see here, this is a Pheidole fighting with another rival Pheidole. Probably might be the larger one, the larger Pheidoles.